Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to get more rolls on Monopoly Go. So if you're looking to get some more rolls or free rolls on Monopoly Go, so firstly what you're going to do, first open up your Monopoly Go. So launch your applications, and once you've launched your application here, so there are a couple of ways how you can get these free rolls. Like, let me go through some of them. So firstly, you'll be eligible by default for a free roll every 5 minutes, which like up to like 30 rolls. So make sure you check back. So it's also a good idea to check back every once every 2 hours, just to get those free rolls so that you don't miss those out. And nextly, you can see if you collect a shield when your shields are full, then you'll be eligible for a free roll as well, so you'll get a just for roll. And then next, if you level up your net worth, like if you level up your network, then you'll get free rolls as well. You'll be eligible for it. So you just have to like, to level up, you just have to like purchase billing or upgrade your town, so those things. And then apart from that, like every day when you log in, you get a free rewards, which includes free rolls. So make sure you log in every day. And then finally, when you invite friends, if you invite friends and once they accept your invitation and start playing the game, you'll get quite a lot of free rolls, up to like around 30 free rolls, so which is pretty good, and you shouldn't be missing that out. So these are the ways, some of the ways how you can get free rolls. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.